Bihar Constable 2026 exam for Mobile Squad Constable, Jail Warder and Provisional Constable. Top 50 GK/GS previous year question. Question number 1. Where did exercise Varun 2025, the 23rd edition of the Indian-France bilateral naval exercise take place? Option A, Bay of Bengal. Option B, Arabian Sea. Option C, Indian Ocean. Option D, South China Sea. The correct option is option B. Question number 2. From which space center did Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla begin his ascent to the International Space Station on 25th June 2025? Option A, Vandenberg Space Force Base. Option 2, Kennedy Space Center. Option 3, Bacon Cosmodrome. Option D, Guiana Space Center. Correct option is option B, Kennedy Space Center. Question number 3. Which river intersects the Tropic of Cancer twice? Option A, Yamuna. Option B, Ganga. Option C, Godavari. Option D, Mahi. The correct option is option D, Mahi river. Question number 4. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? Option A, Mahi. Option B, Betwa. Option C, Son. Option D, Kosi. The correct option is option D, Kosi, known as sorrow of Bihar. Question number 5. Utkal Divas, also known as Odisha Foundation Day, is celebrated annually on which date? Again repeating, Utkal Divas, also known as Odisha Foundation Day, is celebrated annually on which date? Option A, 31 March. Option B, 1st April. Option C, 13 April. Option D, May 1. The correct option is option B, 1st April. Which religion, question number 6, which religion has the highest literacy in Bihar? Option A, Hindu. Option B, Jain. Option B, C, Buddhist. Option D, Christian. The correct option is option B, Jain. Question number 7. Which day is celebrated as the World Ozone Day? Option A, 16 September. Option B, 20 October. Option C, 21 November. Option D, 12 December. The correct option is option A. Question number 8. Who represent the Congress in the second roundtable conference held in London? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option C, Vallabhbhai Patel. Option D, Lal Bahadur Shastri. The correct option is option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 9. Karachi session of Indian National Congress was held in 1931. It was presided over by Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Patel. The correct option is option D, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 10. National Education Day is observed on 11 November to celebrate the birthday of which Indian leader? Option A, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Option B, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Option C, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option D, APJ Abdul Kalam. The correct option is option A, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Question number 11. Which of the following article of Indian Constitution explain the office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India, which is also known as CAG? Option A, Article 165. Option B, Article 125. Option C, Article 368. Option D, Article 148. The correct option is option D, Article 148. Question number 12. Article 17 of the Indian Constitution is related with? Option A, right to education. Option B, abolition of titles. Option C, abolition of untouchability. Option D, equality before law. The correct option is option C, abolition of untouchability. Question number 13. What does Article 164 of the Indian Constitution state about the appointment of the Chief Minister? Option A. The Chief Minister is elected by the Legislative Assembly of the state. Option B. The Chief Minister is appointed by the President of India. Option C. The Chief Minister is chosen through a referendum in the state. Option D. The Chief Minister shall be appointed by the Governor. The correct option is option D. The Chief Minister shall be appointed by the Governor. Question number 14. In which year was the Third Battle of Panipat fought? Option A 1761, option B 1764, option C 1576, option D 1756. The correct option is option A. Question number 15. Battle of Buxar was fought in option A 1767, option B 1757, option C 1764, option D 1774. The correct option is option C. Question number 16. Which leader presided over the 1929 Lahore session of Indian National Congress where the resolution of Purna Swaraj was passed? Option A Subhash Chandra Bose, option B Jawaharlal Nehru, option C Lala Rajpat Rai, option D C.R. Das. The correct option is option B Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 17. When was the Rowlatt Act passed? Option A 1920, option B 1918, option C 1919, option D 1917. The correct option is option C, the Rowlatt Act 1919. The famous Sonpur Mela, known for its cattle fair, is held on the banks of which river in Bihar? Option A Ganga, option B Gandak, option C Kosi, option D Son. The correct option is option B Gandak. Which fundamental rights has Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar called the soul of the Constitution? Option A right to freedom, option B right against oppression, option C right to equality, option D right to constitutional remedies. The correct option is option D, right to constitutional remedies, Article 31. Question number 20. In which state is Kanha Tiger Reserve located? Option A West Bengal, option B Uttarakhand, option C Uttar Pradesh, option D Madhya Pradesh. The correct option is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 21. In which year was Delhi officially announced as the capital of British India by then Emperor George V? Option A 1911, option B 1907, option C 1913, option D 1910. The correct option is option A 1911. Question number 22. Where did Mahatma Gandhi first apply the Satyagraha movement in India? Option A Dandi, option B Champaran, option C Khera, option D Ahmedabad. The correct option is option B Champaran. Question number 23. In 1915, Mahatma Gandhi returned to India permanently from USA, Britain, South Africa, Kenya. This is very simple question. Option number C, South Africa. Question number 24. In which year was the Constitution 10th Amendment Act enacted? 1960, 1961, 1956, 1971. The correct option is option B, 1961. Question number 25. Where is the Niagara River found? India, Australia, North America, Japan. The correct option is North America. Question number 23. Which sea forms the coastline of Ukraine? Option A Black Sea and Sea of Azov, option B Mediterranean Sea and Sea of Azov, Option C, Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea. Option D, Black Sea and Caspian Sea. The correct option is Black Sea and Sea of Azov. Question number 27. Which state lies between Russia and a state of the United States of America? Option A, Palk Strait. Option B, Bering Strait. Option C, Strait of Magellan. Option D, Strait of Dover. The correct option is option A, Bering of Strait. Question number 28. Which of the following is the largest peninsular river? Option A, Narmada. Option B, Godavari. Option C, Mahanadi. Option D, Kaveri. The correct option is option B, Godavari. Question number 29. The Krishna river is the longest river in India. Option A, first. Option B, second. Option D, third. Option C, third. Option D, fourth. The correct option is option D, fourth. Question number 30. By which treaty did Russia withdraw from the First World War? Treaty of Petrograd, Treaty of Vienna, Treaty of Versailles, Treaty of Brest-Litovsk. The correct option is option D, Treaty of Brest-Litovsk in 1918. Where is Manas National Park located? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Assam, Kerala. Correct option is Assam. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Chief Minister. Question 32. As of June 5, 2025, how many Ramsar sites are there in India? 85, 91, 100, 114. The correct option is 91. Ramsar site are two wetlands from Rajasthan, Kichan and Manwar were added, increasing the total to 91. Question number 33. Chandertal, Lenuka and Pong Dam are the three Ramsar wetland sites of which state? Karnataka, Assam, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh. The correct option is Himachal Pradesh. Option D. कौन सा 303 लेक हो जाएगा? Chandertal Lake, Renuka Wetland and Pong Dam Lake are Ramsar wetland sites located in Himachal Pradesh. Question number 34. The largest planet of the solar system is Saturn, Uranus, Jupiter, Neptune. The correct option is Jupiter. The planet closest to the Sun is Mercury, Earth, Venus, Pluto. The correct option is Mercury. The Arctic region and the Antarctica continent are situated near Sahara Desert, North and South Pole, Amazon Basin, Equator. The correct option is the North and South Pole. Question number 37. The dash is the area of the earth where living organisms can be found or where life can be sustained. Atmosphere, troposphere, biosphere, stratosphere. The correct option is option C, biosphere. Question number 38. The ancient capital of Magad state was Patna, Gaya, Vaishali, Rajgir. It is known as Rajgir. Option D. The first revolt of 1857 began in Patna, Buxar, Meerut, Jhansi. The correct option is option C, Meerut. 10 May 1857. Who gave the slogan "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it"? Dadabhai Nauroji, Annie Besant, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. This is known option D, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, a prominent extremist leader, wrote the newspaper Maratha in which language? English, Bengali, Marathi, Hindi. The correct option is English. In Marathi language, he wrote Kesari. Which is the theme of World Health Day 2025 celebrated on April 7? Health for all, building a fairer, healthier world, healthy begins, hopeful futures, our planet, our earth. The correct option is our, our planet, our earth. Question number 43. Where was the 51 G7 summit held in 2025? Canada, Kaneskis, Canada, Charlevoix, Canada, Hiroshima, Japan, Cornwall, UK. The correct option is A. World Population Day is observed every year on which day? 5th June, 11 July, 15 August, December 10. Correct option is option B. When is the World Water Day observed? 20 March, 22 March, 23 March, 21 March. The correct option is option B. Identify the swimmer who received the Arjuna Award 2024. Sajan Prakash, Aman, Navdeep, Abhay Singh. The correct option is option A. Sajan Prakash. National emergency is declared under which article of the Indian Constitution? Article 352, Article 356, Article 360, Article 368. The correct option is option A. Where is Lakshmi Sagar Lake located? Champaran, Darbhanga, Supaul, Begusarai. The correct option is option C. Which is the most populated district of Bihar? Buxar, Patna, Siwar, Gaya. The correct option is Patna. Thank you.